I have already my armband, my bracelet, see? So I'm ready to go. Yes, sir. Everybody's come. And today is a low tide. So let's see how it is because it is low tide. And I'm ready to walk there also, my love. Here we go, here we go. Welcome back again. Welcome back. Welcome back to the fishing area.